like
shitting
cowering
themselves
in
on you.
beer. But they're cowering in beer. Oh my god.
Are you taking a video?
What's that one?
Yeah.
It's not that big box one, is it? At least
Oh,
No.
just
they're so close to each other.
don't fall over.
Oh, that was a dud. Dominic, what's Mike giving
Are you
us?
trying to put them that close to each other? One might like fall over.
Did we already do the big one?
Which big one?
The really, really big one.
Get this on my face.
4-6? Yeah? You didn't hear?
No, I didn't know which one was. I thought I did. That's why
One
I
left was like shaking it. If it tipped over, it hit my car. Why is my car like a stand for like fireworks?
thought. Old school.
No, it's not. My car's expensive.
Old school.
It's disguised as
Like cocaine
Maxima,
and
but it's
caviar.
really a Lamborghini.
That's my first car is a Maxima.
My first car is a Lambo. I wrecked it though. It's a tragic accident.
Nice butt crack.
Hi, Rosanna. What's the date? What's today's date?
January 1st.
What year?
2012.
Nice, good call.
First.
Oh, two of them. Shit.
Are these
Roman
Roman?
candle.
Where am I fit?
Is it done?
We got more. We got more, but go for it. What you gotta do?
Why are they doing it on the hood of my car?
You got about 100 people watching. You can't really see them, but
Shine the light over here.
You don't have flashes?
There's no light. Oh yeah.
Hey. Don't make fun of them because they're style.
Oh wait, no.
There it is.
What are you doing? You're so
Whoa, whoa.
Those are for
He's
the
an
house.
idiot. Go the other way. He's so fucking stupid.
Not over the
I
house.
mean, he's really not intelligent at all.
You ever had a Roman candle fight?
No.
Those you can.
Not at all.
while he has a cigarette in his hand. This is safe stuff we're doing here.
Hey.
Ow.
That was cool.
So,
Oh, great.
it's a smoke ring. Oh, sweet. It's still intact.
Who did that smoker?
Yeah.
Big guy, man. Can we just light it and say fuck? No.
No.
Say fuck it.
Light it.
Fucking blow up 5 cars.
Light it.
Fuck it.
Prendelo.
Hey, we're gonna bury this on the other side, right?
Where? In her yard?
Technically not her yard.
It is her yard.
Corner, right on the corner.
Right next to the stop sign.
Not next to it. 8 feet away.
What? Alright, good.
Where do you know where the fuse is?
No, we set up 2 between. No. Between 2 like this?
Dude, if there's a warning label and a direction label, then you know that you have to follow directions. Because these don't come with a direction label.
They come with a warning.
Yeah, but doesn't
doing it.
direction. If it
Return
comes with
it
a direction
to,
label, you
return
gotta
it to the
use the
authorities immediately.
I'm doing it. Are you serious? No, Dominic, please don't. Fuck you. There's a reason why there's a warning label.
Don't do it! Don't do it!